Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Facebook Lite. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off it again. If it's not working with you this step, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.